Step into the 2018 Kia Niro X. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 104 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, auto-shift manual transmission, Bluetooth, clock, and dash, electric motor, 60 horsepower and front seat type, bucket. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.